restoration. Here we have a Maserati 350 GT steering wheel. Now this came in with a wooden rim on it that had been put on sometime in its life, not particularly well, but it was with an aim to fix the fact that the aluminium had snapped above this spoke here and below this spoke and across here as well, and rendered a very difficult repair. We've reinforced the internals of the steering wheel with steel rings and re-welded the aluminium, and we've cast a new black plastic rim with these inlays on the front here, which is classic Maserati, but that's a 350 GT steering wheel.